To use ForceField Protection app, you simply push the Set button to enter and submit your location, current time, and planned checkout time. That's when the magic begins. When you check in, check out, or push an SOS alert, your chosen contacts will automatically receive a geolocated and time-stamped text message. In addition to the SOS text message, pushing the SOS button produces access to immediately call 911 emergency services with the push of a button. Additionally, if you miss your checkout time, a message will automatically be sent to your contacts, giving you a touchless distress feature and peace of mind knowing a notification will be sent even if you can't reach your phone. You also have access to our safety tools, such as phone number lookup for client ID, address and neighborhood crime reports, criminal searches, and safety training videos. With ForceField Protection, you're safer and more productive, knowing you're always connected and protected.